Hi, Belinda, how are you?
I'm good.
You get started first, okay?
Okay.
Liana, you're second, okay? And Harrison third. So Liana, you wait for me, okay? I need to set up your new account.
Okay.
The new account password have been sent to your account, okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you later. Harrison, you get started by yourself, okay? You know what they want you to do?
Yeah, but I just think I don't want to like write every single situation.
Unfortunately, this one look like you need to write every situation
Okay. Yeah.
because you have A, B, they are close, and AC far, BC far, and you may have AC close, AB far, BC far. You may have BC close, AB far, AC far. So you have to list down every situation.
Mm,
Unfortunately,
Okay.
this look like doesn't have a better choice. But then you continue, okay? This one just
Yeah.
typing will take a long time. I don't want to keep you
Mhm.
pressure. Next one, let me have Liana show your screen. So go to the, okay, keep it stored for later. Go give me a new tab. You have opened too many tabs. You need to close the field. You have too many of here. It's okay. Open a new one. Type in code.org. Your school had not started, right?
Um, oh, it started today, but I didn't.
Didn't
Yeah, it
know
started
what they
today.
will use. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, we will use this code.org for APCSP. Okay. We
Okay.
are not using the regular CSP session. So first you need to sign in using your email. Don't use the one that you use in high school, okay? Use something
Oh,
else.
okay.
Otherwise, they will bump into each other. Use something else. Don't use the one that you use in school. You need to create a new account. No, not just that. New account. Create a new account. Take your time, okay? Fill in whatever you want to. What you, yeah. Okay, one moment. Here you need to join one section, right? Go to the Facebook, look at the number I gave you. I give you two sections. Please join that two section. So first one, this one, QXMYFC. QXMYFC. No. Go to the section number. Yeah. Q. You have to go to C. Check. Go back to check. QXMYFC. Go to check. QSMYFC. Okay, good. Then join. And one more. Go to the second one. This one is DWCLCJ. Okay. Okay, right here, I give you two sections. One is the new one that is 2026. Okay, this one's a new one. So basically, when you do APCSP study for exam, you should look at this one. But we are not teaching this one. We will teach you this one 19 to 20. Okay, so click on this 19 to 20. This one actually is better for coding practice. It actually, so far, I found this version is the best. So we directly go to the Unit 3. Get started from Unit 3. Okay, so this Unit 3, you just go one by one. Each session, they have video, you watch video, they have homework, you work on homework. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So this one similar to solo learn, okay? So this one will be your Thursday assignment. Monday, if you are still want to come, then you can work on the solo learn HTML, okay?
Wait, which one?
HTML,
Oh,
HTML.
okay.
So programming language, go to the programming language. And then introduction to HTML,
Oh, okay.
okay?
Okay, thank you.
You need, so what, let me explain to you. Right now, you need to learn HTML and then JavaScript and then CSS. Okay, this is three, actually it's one language. This is not three language, this is one language. This one is for website design. Okay, and then this code.org actually is teaching you to how to build a website design. So this one is application. This one is language. These two are actually helping each other, okay?
Okay.
And then one more thing, in the end, when you go to the submit project to College Board, you need to depend on this software on the left side. So this one is very important. This Thursday practice is more important than the right side, okay?
Okay.
And why do you need to learn web design? Do you know?
I don't know why.
Why do you need to learn Python?
Um,
What's the purpose of learning Python? Python is for data science, right? So no matter what subject, you will need to build your own data analytics statistics program, and then you need to analyze by math whenever you do any research in any subject, right? So that Python will help you. And this web design, usually web design is for advertisement. You build a project on website so other people can look at your project. So mostly when you have a company, you have a website, you have a project, you have anything that you want to tell people, you need to build a website, right? Is that okay?
yeah.
So these two, no matter what major you are, even you are going to medical school, whatever school you want to go to, eventually you still need to have these two tools, okay? So just spend time to make sure in high school you learn them, okay? So now you get started from here. You can study by yourself, and starting from lesson 4, they start to have some practice. Lesson 1, 2, 3, just reading and video, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll come back with you later, okay? You get started.
Okay.
Next one, let me
Thank you.
have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Okay, next one.
And I also did this one.
Yeah, that's okay. That's simple. Next one. Harrison, you need to work extremely hard, okay?
Okay.
Boys college application is extremely hard.
Okay.
You know, Jian and who another person, Kingston, they are both eighth grader as well, okay?
Okay.
And they are leading in coding, they are really fast. When you apply college, they will be competing with you. Someone like that, or someone even better than them. Oh, stop. What are you doing right now?
My bad. I thought it was string.
There's no string, there's integer and vocation.
Yeah.
Why do you need to have it even over there?
To check if it's weekday.
You already, you are inside the if. Here is unreachable code. You already returned here. Your if should be outside the if.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's now go back to Lian, Belinda, your turn. Previous one, show me the previous one first. The one that actually is long short.
Wait, let me just.
Close bar, yeah, that one close bar. This one a little bit too long for you. So because you type the mesh dot ABS too many times.
I'm gonna
Okay.
set them as variables.
So let's set up a Boolean condition. That's bar AB. AB is bar. AC is bar if mesh dot ABS or A minus B greater than 1 is AB bar. Okay, and then Boolean AC bar. AC bar is matched that ABS A minus C, okay, greater than 1. That means that AC is bar. Boolean F BC bar. This one actually match that ABS B minus C, okay, greater than 1. So this 3 are who is bar. This actually show you 3 possible relationship of a triangle. Who is bar, who is close. Then what you want to have is return, okay. There's one close too far, so not FAB and FAC and FBC. So one close too far or not FAC and FAB and FBC or not FBC and FAB and FAC. This one show you one far and one close and too far. One close and too far conditions. And close and far you summarize in 3 ABS code. Okay, that will be easier than what you are doing. Okay, this one. Well, go back. I'm trying to look at your code.
Right, okay.
Okay. This one.
Mm.
Work on this one.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, this is wrong.
Mm.
When we say 3 numbers are evenly spaced, what do we mean?
Mm.
In math, we say 3 numbers are evenly spaced. What do we mean? It means that A
plus
A to B is the same as B to C,
yeah.
or A to C is the same as C to B, or C to A is the same as A to B. These 3 possibilities. So how can you check this happen? How can you check? Just focus on one condition first. How can you check A to B is the same as B to C? This is evenly spaced, right?
Yeah.
How can you check?
Boolean.
You think about it before you do coding. So how to do it?
I'm gonna do Boolean and then I'm gonna check math.
In math, how can you check that B's
Absolute
distance
value.
to A is the same as B's distance to C?
Use absolute value.
Not exactly. So let's assume that you have an A, C are the same value and B is greater. So these are same distance, but they are not evenly spaced. These 2 are on the one side. So you have to be A BC or CBA, B in the center? How do we check? You have 3 points on the number line A, C, and B.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then B is what? Same distance. The B is what?
B is the middle. So also
So how to check B is the middle of the AC?
need to add A and C and divide.
So A plus C divided by 2 equals B. That's the checker of the B is the center of the AC. And then we have 3 conditions that you need to check. That's it.
Okay. So mm. Mhm. And then you check it. But wouldn't this already mean that they're equal distance from each?
This means that A to B is the same distance as C to B.
Yeah.
B is the center point, but you still need to check if A is the center point or C is the center point.
Okay.
You have 3 possible centers.
Yeah.
You have some cases are wrong. Why? You know?
Mm,
That's because that you are using Java. So Java division is integer division. You may run into integer problem. So in this case, you don't check this one. You check this one times 2.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, these are not really hard, but you got to be able to solve the problem yourself, okay?
Yeah.
These are fundamental problems, but when we say something in math, you have to really. So this actually is testing your fundamental knowledge of your math, okay? If your math is not good or messy, or you're not clear, you will show up, okay? You will show up to people. Okay, work harder, okay? You may need to erase it, redo, okay?
Okay.
Next one, let me have at the end of your turn. Okay, some of the problem just pick, let it go through, okay? These are actually doesn't help you too much. It's just some kind of survey. We don't care about it. But the programming questions you have to make sure every programming you actually spend enough time on it. Okay, so go to the lesson 2. Keep going. This lesson 1, 2, 3 are easy. Lesson 4 start to have some programming. Okay. Any questions so far?
I think it's okay so far.
You finish the whole Unit 3, then you go to Unit 5. After you finish Unit 5, you are ready to do the AP CSP project. Okay, then we will let you work on the project already. Okay,
Okay.
and the AP CSP project is 30% of your total score to AP exam. Okay. Usually the high school teacher doesn't cover too much, okay, cover too much of the project. So you got to work closely with us, okay?
Okay.
Unless your teacher use different language, then you need to let me know what they use, okay?
Okay.
We can make adjustment. I think it's okay. You go to the lesson 4. Start a lesson 4, okay? Lesson 4 starting the so-called programming. It begins with the turtle programming. Turtle programming is a simple programming. You need to follow some certain rules. But these terms, pair programming and turtle programming, these two terms in AP exam, they'll test you what is pair programming, what is turtle, whatever vocabulary they will test. Okay, you got to remember them.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you watch the video. I'll come back. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I
Oh.
did this one.
Next one.
I did this one.
This one. These are all easy one.
I did this one.
This one.
And I'm doing this one.
Okay. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. Continue.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Belinda. Belinda, your turn. Belinda, this time I'm not going to help you. Okay. You have to struggle. I'll let you struggle. Okay, go. This one, let me have Liana. Liana, your turn. Are you okay so far?
Yeah.
One thing is that you can adjust this rapid and the turtle. Adjust to rapid, you will run faster. Okay. Usually, when you are just debugging, your learners adjust to rapid mode. That's actually is the program will run faster. And then one more thing that you may need to know is right here your blocks programming. You can also do show text. Then JavaScript code will show up. Okay, this is JavaScript code, and then you click back, you will go back to block programming. It's just drag and drop mode. So you have drag and drop mode you can do. You also have the so-called text mode that you can do. And then there's sometimes the information will show up here, error or something. It's debug console. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You continue. Okay, you continue. Your goal is before the end of December, you need to complete the whole Unit 3 and Unit 5 in this 2020 curriculum. Okay, that's the goal before the end of the year.
Okay.
Same time, Monday, you need to work on the solo HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. That will teach you general JavaScript. Okay. This one is not general. This one is specific design for code.org. Essentially, is a well-designed platform, not a real one, not a real-world programmer's platform. You can run, hit run. Okay, then if you feel okay, you click finish. Okay, go. Then you continue. Okay, is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
You continue. I'll be back later. You just work on it by yourself. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Yeah, that's okay. Next one.
This one.
Yeah, that's simple. Next. Next. Okay. Next one, go back to parental. Parental, your turn. Oh, one more problem. Okay. This one we have Liana, your turn. Are you okay so far?
Yeah.
This one has no guideline. You can do whatever you want to do. You can do this, this, whatever. You can also do this, whatever, okay? Up to you. As long as you draw a 3x3 grid. And then eventually you need to park your pointer at the right direction at the right location. Parking your starting point. Take your time, okay? No rush. I'll be back, okay? Take your time. This one, we have
Okay.
Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Okay, next one. Okay, next one.
And I'm reading this one.
Hmm. Okay. This one compared to Belinda. Belinda, your turn. Okay, next one.
Mr. Chair, how do I find the index?
You have 1, 2, 6, 5, 5, 7, 4. How do you skip these? Skip this part.
Mm,
You need to raise a certain flag right here. Drop a flag right here. So let me give you a hint. This if length equal 0 is of no use. So no skip starting to be false. So if it is a 6, then skip will be true. If now skip sum plus equal nums I. Now, question is, I help you up to here. Question is when to turn down this 7.
mm, mm,
This orange one is the skip signal. It's a Boolean variable.
mhm. True.
If num size equals 7, skip equal false. Then you turn down everything. At the end, return sum. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go back to Liana. Liana, your turn. Liana, are you okay so far?
I'm still on the 3 by 3, but I
Where you
think
are
I'm
showing-
almost there.
Yeah, show me. You wrong and see what happened.
But I didn't finish it.
Yeah, it's okay. You wrong in the middle because sometimes you need to debug, making sure you see it's not what you think. So overall, your plan is a little quite wrong actually. So you want to redo, you show text and then delete everything and restart. That'll be easier. Apparently, your way is not getting things okay. Delete everything, redo, okay? It's okay to redo, okay? It's okay to start over again. You have to plan it. I would say an easier way to solve it is try to build these and then build these and then build these and then go back to your original place. That is the easier way to do it. So to build this one, you can do make these go up, make these go up, make these go up, and then go back to the original. Okay. And then move to here to repeat the same thing. Up to you, okay? Up to you. You have to print it.
Mm,
But don't wait until the whole thing finish to test your idea because you may want to build this one first before you test out the whole idea, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Don't wait until the last moment to test it because you may out of control just like last time, okay? See,
Okay.
let's get out of control that you may not like it, okay? Take your time. I'm not rushing you. Continue, okay? Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Next one. Okay, one more problem. This one easy. Actually, the whole last one is quite easy, actually. Okay. This one 连呢？连呢？Your turn.
Oh,
连呢？Your turn. Okay, take your time. Okay, it probably still take a long time for you. It's okay, no rush. Okay. This one we have Harrison. We are almost done. Okay, we are 9:59. Probably will end with Harrison. Okay, last minute. Harrison, your turn.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we are 9 o'clock. Everyone have some progress. Okay, but right now, if you already go to level 2, you'll find out that level 2 is way harder. Okay. So you must use your brain. Okay, use your brains. Don't just use brute force. Okay, just trying to use the brute force to do coding is no longer working. Level 1 may be okay. Level 2, you need to be smart, need to plan, okay? So you gradually, so CSP is a easy course. You get used to some software. And then CSA is actually more advanced because you start to touch algorithm, especially after level 2. Okay, after level 2, level 3, actually, it becomes harder and harder. But at this moment, you need to what? Need to use your brain trying to learn the techniques. When the technique is not just integer a equals something for loop. Okay, it's not just like that. You have to be able to use your language structure in a special way. Okay, and you need to remember in what condition I need to do what. Okay, those kind of the scenario you need to remember them as well. So programming usually takes 3 years to become a more mature programmer. Okay, the first year introduction, second year AP CSA to learn some algorithms. Third year you learn the data structures. Okay, usually it's a 3 year test, but it takes time. But eventually, once you learn everything, you will be able to move on to college without any problem. Okay, without any problem. Okay, try harder. Okay, good night then. Bye bye everyone.